Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an essential product for every above-ground pool owner gearing up for the colder months. We're talking about the SUMMERBUDDY Pool Closing Kit, which we proudly label as the best winterization kit for above-ground pools. If you want to keep your pool in pristine condition through winter, stay tuned as we explore how this kit can make your life easier and your pool maintenance hassle-free. The SUMMERBUDDY Pool Closing Kit is a 3-in-1 winterizing solution designed for pools up to 15,000 gallons. This kit combines powerful ingredients that work synergistically to maintain clean, clear, and odor-free water throughout the winter. With just one application, you can enjoy up to 3 months of protection, making it a practical and economical choice for pool owners. In this kit, you'll find everything you need to say goodbye to green water and unpleasant odors. It effectively prevents algae growth and eliminates any lingering contaminants, ensuring that when it's time to open your pool in the spring, you're greeted with crystal clear water, ready for swimming. One of the standout features of the SUMMERBUDDY Pool Closing Kit is its professional-grade formula. This product is gentle yet highly effective, protecting your pool's lining while delivering long-lasting clarity. Imagine not having to deal with unsightly lines or buildups on your pool walls come springtime. You can enjoy a beautifully maintained pool that's visually appealing and welcoming. What's more, the kit simplifies your pool care routine. With the ability to handle pools of up to 15,000 gallons using just one bottle, you can eliminate the need for multiple products, saving both time and money. Plus, its triple action efficiency means you're getting the most out of your investment. Applying the SUMMERBUDDY Pool Closing Kit is straightforward. Simply follow the instructions provided, and in no time, your pool will be ready for the winter. This kit is safe for all pool types, so whether you have an above-ground pool or an in-ground one, you can trust that it will perform excellently without damaging your pool's walls. Not only does it provide effective winterization, but it also works tirelessly throughout the cold months to protect your investment. You won't have to worry about jumping into a cleaning frenzy when you're ready to enjoy your pool again. The SUMMERBUDDY kit takes care of that for you. As we wrap up our review, it's clear that the SUMMERBUDDY Pool Closing Kit is a must-have for anyone looking to protect their above-ground pool during the winter months. Its high efficiency rate of over 99.8% ensures that you'll be greeted by clear water come spring, allowing you to focus on having fun rather than cleaning. If you're tired of dealing with pool maintenance nightmares or want to make your winterization process as easy as possible, this kit is your go-to solution. At an affordable price of $21.98, you're investing in a product that will save you time, money, and a lot of headaches. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the SUMMERBUDDY Pool Closing Kit and why it deserves a spot in your winter pool care routine. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. We'll see you next time, and happy swimming!